We all know people who seem to have an uncanny ability to form deep connections with others, making them feel as though they've known each other forever. It's not about time. It's about making others feel emotionally close and bonded with you in record time. Here's how to make someone feel like you've shared a lifetime of experiences, even if you've only known them for a few minutes. Step 1. Be vulnerable. One of the quickest ways to create an emotional bond with someone is to share personal, authentic feelings. When you open up and allow others to see your vulnerable side, they begin to feel more connected to you. Vulnerability creates a sense of trust, and people often respond by sharing their own experiences. This reciprocal exchange of personal information builds an immediate emotional intimacy that makes the relationship feel deep and long-lasting. Step 2. Mirror their behavior. As mentioned earlier, mirroring someone's body language or speech patterns creates a subconscious bond. If they lean in while talking, you should do the same. If they speak in a relaxed, calm tone, match it. This behavior makes people feel like you are in sync with them, which reinforces the feeling that you've known each other for a long time. When we feel similar to someone, our brains release feel-good chemicals like oxytocin, making us more likely to form deep connections. Step 3. Active listening and validation. People love to feel heard and understood. Practice active listening by focusing intently on what the other person is saying, nodding, and validating their feelings. For example, you might say things like, "That must have been really tough for you," or, "I can see why you would feel that way." When someone feels truly understood, they begin to associate you with a sense of safety and emotional warmth, which fosters a sense of closeness, as if you've known each other for years. By combining vulnerability, mirroring, and active listening, you can create the illusion that you've known someone for a lifetime, even if it's only been a few minutes. Subscribe for more helpful psychology,